Hello everyone. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon here in Colorado Springs. And this is our current situation outside. Wind, it's probably at about 60 to 65 miles per hour. As you can tell from the trees outside. Wow. So it's a blizzard out here. Oh my gosh. Maybe we should have put some board up the windows, because it's not looking like this blizzard is going anywhere. It's staying in Colorado Springs. Snow is not that bad, but the wind is, and that's what makes it look scary. Been through a few blizzards, but not as windy like this. I don't know what the temperature is outside, but I'm sure it's freezing. Cold, cold, cold. Yep. We woke up this morning, it was raining, and it felt like it's going to hail, and I didn't think it was going to be this bad, but mid-afternoon or mid-morning is when it started to pick up with the wind, and it started to snow. So school is closed today, and most of all the business, we stopped by Walmart this morning to pick up some allergy meds, and they were open. So I don't know about the rest of the shopping area, but I know Walmart is. I asked one of the associates there if they're gonna stay open all day, and she's not sure. So, but this is our current situation in Colorado, and my Wi-Fi at the house keep going in and out. So I'm crossing my finger that it doesn't get cut off, because that would be bad. And I pray that the electricity won't get interrupted, because we need heat in the house. But I've got lots and lots of blankets in case of an emergency, and I've got full tank of gas in all 3 cars in case we need to stay warm. We're gonna go into the vehicle and seek shelter for warmth there with lots of blankies. But anyway, forecast shows tomorrow will be a nice day. It's cloudy, but not as bad. So Thursday, which is tomorrow, Friday, looks like it's gonna be sunny. But oh well, that's what Mother Nature wants us to be today, is to stay indoor and stay warm. So be safe out there, Colorado. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.